video lecture of chapter 12, Exponents and Power, class 8, Maths. So in this video lecture, we would be starting with the solved example which was left in the first video lecture. I said that I would be solving all the solved examples in that first video lecture, but unfortunately there was some recording issue, we can say. It was not being recorded, although I thought that it was recording. So some of the issues penetrate, so that I wasn't able to. So this is in front of you the question, the solved example. Then we would be starting with exercise questions. Okay, so in the first video lecture, what things we discussed is we look into a brief introduction to the exponents and powers. ठीक है कि भाई एक्सपोनेंट क्या है, उससे स्पेल कैसे करेंगे. जैसे हमने एक एग्जांपल लिया था 10 raised to 24. मैंने बोला 10 उसके ऊपर 24 है सुपर स्क्रिप्ट में, तो जैसे मैंने ऐसा बता ही देती हूँ 10 raised to 24. तो स्पेल कैसे करेंगे 10 to the power, ठीक है 10 raised to the power 24. और ये 10 क्या है, 10 is known as the base. 10 is known as the base. Okay, so if we talk about today's class, we would be just solving questions, and in the end of this session I would be providing you some extra questions regarding the questions which we are solving today. So be with me till the end. So here if you start with solved example, 7th का part 2 है, that is simplify 5 by 8 raised to minus 7 into 8 by 5 raised to minus 5. ओके, अब अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा 5 by 8. ओके, or else to eradicate this minus sign, let us start by this 8 by 5 whole raised to 7 into 5 by 8 whole raised to 5. Are you with me? Next step, 8 raised to 7 by 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 5 by 8 raised to 5. यहाँ तक के समझ आया. अब क्या करेंगे कि बेस सेम कर देंगे. दैट मीन्स 8 raised to 7 by 8 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5 by 5 raised to 7. तो देखो यहाँ पे 8 8 बेस सेम है, यहाँ पे 5 5 बेस सेम है. तो क्या करेंगे अगर ये डिवीजन में, तो बेस एज इट इज लिखेंगे, पावर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे क्योंकि डिवीजन है. तो 7 minus 5 into 5 बेस कॉमन है तो 5 minus 7. तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, that equals to 8 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 7 minus 5. See, 7 minus 5 in the sense 1 positive, 1 negative, put the sign of bigger number and subtract the number. Okay, अब इसी को मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ 8 raised to 2 by 5 raised to 2. क्यों, तो के 5 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 by 5 raised to 2. Are you getting? And when I multiply 8 raised to 2 with 1 by 5 raised to 2, I would be getting 8 raised to 2 by 5 raised to 2. Clear? If you simplify it, you would be getting 64 by 25. Okay, so now finally I can say that all the solved examples, including in the first video lecture and in this video lecture, this one is also important, and a question related to this. Okay, we have to follow the same thing, only the the numbers are changed, rest all remains same. So the thing is, you have to if you are able to get the concept how we have to solve, if you are through with the procedure, how to solve, how to simplify, how to evaluate, how to find the value of m. So solved examples में जिस तरह के questions थे, the same you would be getting in this exercise. So let us start one by one solving the questions given in exercise 12.1. Question 1 का first. Question 1 says evaluate. So start evaluating 3 raised to minus 2. 3 raised to minus 2. क्या करेंगे इसको? इसे हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 1 by 3 raised to 2. कैसे? तो according to the law a raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 by a raised to 1. Are you with me? So that is equal to 1 by 9. Easy? Okay. Next, minus 4 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 by minus 4 raised to 2. That is equal to 1 by, see, this can be written as minus 4 into minus 4. So minus into minus plus 4 into 4, 16. No need to write plus. So 1 by minus 4 raised to 2 is 1 by 16. Clear? Moving down to next. 1 by 2 whole raised to minus 5 can be written as 2 by 1 whole raised to 5. Okay? Next. So 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is equal to what? Let us calculate. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So 32 is the answer. Okay, move on to next. Second question, that is simplify. Here the question is minus 4 raised to 5 divided by minus 4 raised to 8. How you would be solving this? So let us start. That equals to, since the base is same, we would be writing minus 4 as it is. Since there is division, we would be subtracting the power. Minus 4 raised to 5 minus 8. So that is equal to minus 4 raised to 1 positive, 1 negative. Put the sign of bigger number and subtract the number. 8 minus 5, 3. So minus 4 raised to minus 3. Since asking simplify, let us do further simplification. That minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Okay. So minus into minus plus 4 4s are 16 into minus 4. Minus into plus minus 16 4s are 64. So this is the answer. Okay. Moving down to next. Second, simplify 1 by 2 raised to 3 whole square. Okay. This can be written as, see, 2 raised to minus 3. 1 by 2 raised to 3 can be written as 2 raised to minus 3. As simple as that. See, 1 by a raised to b is equal to a raised to minus b. That simple law we have applied here. Okay, and this bracket is whole square. Okay, so that is 2 raised to minus 6, or you can write 1 by 2 raised to 6. Okay, are you getting? We moved on to next. Minus 3 raised to 4 into 5 by 3 raised to 4. See, the power is same. The power is same. So what we would be doing is that equals to minus 3 into 5 by 3. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और कॉमन पावर दे देंगे रेज टू 4. 3 से 3 कैंसिल हो गया. दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 4 रेज टू 4. आई मीन सॉरी, एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, माइनस 5 रेज टू 4. 5 बचा, ये माइनस साइन बचा है ना. सो minus 5 raised to 4. Now you observe carefully. If you check the answer in textbook, it says 5 raised to 4. I said both the thing is same. How come? How come? See, minus 5 है, तो minus 5 raised to 4, तुम जब इसका आंसर निकालोगे तो तुम्हें मिलेगा 625. तुम्हें इसका आंसर क्या मिलेगा? 625. कैसे? तो देखो तुम करोगे मल्टीप्लाई -5 इंटू -5 इंटू -5 इंटू -5, क्योंकि ये माइनस साइन 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है तो तुम्हें आंसर जो है वो प्लस में मिलेगा। कैसे? माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस। बताती फिर से, देखो माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस। बेसिक रूल। तो प्लस में तुम्हें आंसर मिलेगा, जो आंसर मिलेगा वो मिलेगा 625। अब अगर तुम यहाँ से माइनस साइन हटा भी देते हो तो तुम्हें आंसर तो पॉजिटिव में मिलने वाला है, और 5 को 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 625 मिलेगा। तो तुम -5/4 लिखो या 5/4 लिखो, आंसर तो 625 ही आने वाला है। ओके, आर यू गेटिंग? मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट, fourth question. 3 raised to -7 divided by 3 raised to -10 into 3 raised to -5. According to B, D, M, A, S, we have to first solve the bracket, then we have to do the division, and then we have to do multiplication. Okay, first we have to solve the bracket. So 3 raised to -7 by 3 raised to -10, इसको हम ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 3 raised to 10 by 3 raised to 7। Are you with me? Okay. So अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या, बेस सेम है, बेस सेम है यानी 3 raised to 10 minus 7, क्योंकि डिवीजन है आप माइनस कर रहे हो। ओके, into 3 raised to -5. So 3 raised to 3 into 3 raised to -5. Again base is same, so base as it is लिखेंगे। Don't forget to put equal to sign, huh? Okay, so base is same, write 3 as it is. Next, since there is multiplication, we would be adding the powers, that is 3 plus -5. So that equals to 3, 1 पॉजिटिव 1 नेगेटिव। ठीक है, बाहर प्लस की साइन है तो जब ब्रैकेट खोलेंगे तो माइनस हो जाएगा। 1 पॉजिटिव 1 नेगेटिव, पुट द साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर, सबट्रैक्ट द नंबर, 5 minus 3 2। तो either your answer is 3 raised to -2 or you can write it as 1 by 3 raised to 2, that is equal to 1 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 9। Clear? We moved on to next. Find the value of, here see this 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to -1 into 2 raised to 2. We have to solve this. Again here we would be applying BODMAS rule. That means we would be solving first bracket and then we would be further doing multiplication and addition. See, 3 raised to 0, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. According to this law, a raised to 0 is equal to 1, where a is any integer. So 3 raised to 0 would become 1 plus 4 raised to -1. 4 raised to -1 can be written as 1 by 4. देखो 1 by 4 raised to 1 is nothing but 1 by 4. Are you getting? If I say that a raised to -1 is equal to 1 by a raised to 1, any number raised to 1 is the number itself. Okay, so 4 raised to -1 can be written as 1 by 4. Next, into 2 square. Okay, now see here we would be taking LCM, so 4 plus 1 divided by 4. ये कैसे लिखा? तो this is simple math, that is we would be multiplying and dividing 1 with 4, that is 1 into 4 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 2 raised to 2, that equals to 4 plus 1 by 4 into 2 raised to 2, that equals to 5 by 4 into 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा 4, 4 से 4 कैंसिल, क्या बचा 5. So 5 is the answer for this question. Are you getting? We moved on to next question. which says 2 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. Observe carefully. That equals to, see, 2 raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 by 2 into 4 raised to minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4. Okay. Divide. 2 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 by, or let us keep it right now like this only. Okay, we solve this first bracket. See, you can write this as 1 by 4 2s are 8. 1 by 8 divide by 1 by 2 raised to 2. देखो 2 raised to minus 2 can be written as 1 by 2 raised to 2. Are you with me? Okay. Can I write 1 by 8 as 1 by 2 raised to 3? Obviously. Okay. Divide by 1 raised to 2 raised to 2. Sorry, 1 by 2 raised to 2. यहाँ तक समझ आया? Okay. We proceed further here. See, क्या किया मैंने 2 raised to minus 1 को 1 by 2 लिखा, 4 raised to minus 1 को 1 by 4 किया, divide by 2 raised to minus 2. इनको further solve करके I get 1 by 8. 1 by 8 को मैं 1 by 2 raised to 3 भी लिख सकती हूँ, divide by 1 by 2 raised to 2. अब देखो, मैं इसको ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ 2 raised to minus 3 divide by 2 raised to minus 2. 1 by 2 raised to 3 को 2 raised to minus 3 लिखा, divide by 1 by 2 raised to 2 को 2 raised to minus 2 लिखा. आगे देखो, see, अब यहाँ पे डिवीजन है, बेस सेम है, बेस एज इट इज लिखो. डिवीजन है तो हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्शन, यानी -3 माइनस ऑफ -2 दैट इक्वल्स टू 2 -3. क्योंकि बाहर साइन माइनस है तो ब्रैकेट जब ओपन करेंगे तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, यानी +2. सो 2 1 negative 1 positive, put the sign of bigger number and subtract the number. 3 minus 2 1. So 2 raised to minus 1, or you can write 1 by 2. Check this out. I hope you are getting. Okay. We move on to next. third question का third part. Okay. 1 by 2 raised to minus 2. 1 by 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 raised to minus 2. If you observe carefully, the power is same. The power is same. But since there is no multiplication, we cannot directly add them. What can we do instead is, you can write 1 by 2 raised to minus 2 as, see, this can be written as 1 by 2 raised to 2. Sorry. 1 raised to minus 2 by 2 raised to minus 2. This is actually the case. इसका तो हमेशा आंसर 1 ही मिलेगा. The thing is this. So if I write 1 by 2 raised to minus 2, I would be getting 2 raised to 2. Okay. So we do this for all the 3 cases. All the 3 cases means all these 3 numbers. That is 1 by 2 raised to minus 2 can be written as 2 raised to 2. Similarly, 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 can be written as 3 raised to 2. Plus 1 by 4 raised to minus 2 can be written as 4 raised to 2. Now we know the square of these numbers. 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 16 plus 4 20 plus 9 29. We get the answer 29. Getting? Check this out. Okay? We moved on to next, fourth question. 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 whole raised to 0. Now don't blindly start solving this question. See the question, then aram se you start. You think first of all, since this number raised to 0, anything raised to 0 is equal to 1. ऐसे क्यों करना है, डायरेक्ट आंसर 1। आर यू गेटिंग? ओके, मूविंग डाउन टू नेक्स्ट, -2/3 होल रेज टू -2 होल रेज टू 2। आराम से सॉल्व करेंगे। सी, माइनस साइन हटाने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगी, 3/-2 होल स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर। आर यू गेटिंग दिस? मूविंग डाउन टू नेक्स्ट, सी, अब ये ब्रैकेट को, ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं। दिस इज सेम एज लाइक दिस, a⁻m into n। तो हम क्या लिखते थे, a⁻m into n। तो यहाँ पे भी 2 into 2। तो मैं क्या करूंगी, 3/-2 होल रेज टू 4, 3/-2 होल रेज टू 4। Okay, so you can simplify this further as 3/4/-2/4, क्योंकि माइनस जो भी नंबर है उसका रेज टू इवन में है ना, पावर उसकी इवन में है। तो जो भी तुम्हें इसका 2 को जब तुम 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, you would be getting सी 5 बार किया था तो 32, 4 बार करेंगे तो 16। सी 2 2 जा 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16। So 16, 4 बार माइनस है, देखो -2 into -2 into -2 into -2, 4 times। So minus into minus plus 4 into -2 into -2, so plus into minus minus, 4 2 जा 8 into -2 minus into minus plus 8 2 जा 16 plus 16। ठीक है, now 3/4, so 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 जा 9, 3 जा 27, 27 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, you would be getting 81। Okay, so this is your final answer। Okay, moving down to next, evaluate। First question is 8⁻⁻1 into 5⁻3 डिवाइड बाय 2⁻⁻4। ध्यान से देखना। सी 8⁻⁻1 है तो मैं क्या करूंगी, और ये 2⁻⁻4 है, मैं 2⁻⁻4 को ऊपर ले आती हूँ ताकि ये 2⁻4 हो जाए, माइनस साइन हट जाए, इनटू 5⁻3, 8⁻1 को नीचे ले आती हूँ ताकि ये -1 की जगह 1 हो जाए, यानी 8 हो जाए। यहाँ तक समझ आया? अब देखो ध्यान से, 8 को मैं 2 के बेस में लिख सकती हूँ, 2⁻3, 2⁻4 इंटू 5⁻3। यहाँ तक समझ आया? अब ये देखो दोनों की बेस जो है वो सेम है, डिवीजन में तो हम माइनस करेंगे, यानी 2⁻4-3 इंटू 5⁻3। समझ आया? इसको मैं ऊपर ले आई, जब मैं इसको ऊपर लेके आती तो ये माइनस में रहेगा, 4⁻3 यानी 2⁻4-3 इंटू 5⁻3, दैट इक्वल्स टू 2⁻1 इंटू 5⁻3। दिस इज योर आंसर। इसको आगे भी तुम मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, 2 इंटू 5 5 जा 25, 5 जा 125, 125 इंटू 2, 5 2 जा 10, 2 2 जा 4 प्लस 1 5, 250। ठीक है, तुम आराम से मल्टीप्लाई करके चेक करो आंसर 250 आता है कि नहीं। ये तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, ये तो तुम खुद से कर सकते हो। हम आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट। ठीक है, देखो यूट्यूब पे फायदा क्या है कि अगर मैं आगे बोल रही हूँ नेक्स्ट, लेकिन तुम इस पे स्टक हो, पॉज करके पहले खुद से ट्राई करो, नहीं होता है वापस रिवाइंड करके देखो क्या गलती की। समझ आया? तो मैं आगे बढ़ रही हूँ। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 5⁻1 इंटू 2⁻1 होल ब्रैकेट इंटू 6⁻1। सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, ब्रैकेट पहले करेंगे। देखो 5⁻1 को मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ, 1/5, 2⁻1 1/2 इंटू 1/6। अब अगर तुम ध्यान से देखो, अगर तुम ऐसे लिखते हो तो दिस इज द रॉन्ग केस। क्यों? अरे मल्टीप्लिक नहीं, रॉन्ग केस नहीं है, मतलब तुम कर सकते हो, लेकिन यू आर मेकिंग द थिंग्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड। भाई क्यों कॉम्प्लिकेट करना है जब आसान है? तो कैसे हम कॉम्प्लिकेट ना करें? तो देखो ध्यान से, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, सबकी पावर सेम है, तो क्या करोगे, 5 इंटू 2 इंटू 6 होल रेज टू -1। ये जो ब्रैकेट है ना, ये गुमराह करने के लिए दिया है, तो क्यों घूम रहे हो, ध्यान दो, है ना। सो 5 into 2 into 6 whole raised to -1. So 5 2s are 10, 6 are 60. 60 raised to -1, that is 1/60. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो. Are you getting? You check this out, okay? Move down to next batch of questions. Okay, so these are the questions. Next, find the value of m for which you are being given this equation. 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to -3 equals to 5 raised to 5. See, in division, base is same. So we would be writing base as it is, and we would be subtracting the power, that is m minus of -3 equals to 5 raised to 5. Following me? If you remember, we have done this kind of question in solved examples also. Okay? That equals to 5 raised to m plus 3 equals to 5 raised to 5. Since the base is same, we can say that implies m plus 3 equals to 5. So that implies m is equal to, यहाँ पे plus है, when this number would be moving to right hand side, it would become minus. 5 minus 3 equals to 2. So the value of m is 2. Moving to next question, evaluate 1 by 3 whole raised to -1 minus 1 by 4 whole raised to -1 whole raised to -1. Let's start. That equals to, see here, 1 by 3 whole raised to -1 can be written as 3. 1 by 4 whole raised to -1 can be written as 4. So 3 minus 4. Make it as simple as possible. 3 minus 4 whole raised to -1. So -1 whole raised to -1. This can be written as 1 by -1 raised to 1. ये -1 है, तो यहाँ पे डिवीजन में डालेंगे तो 1. Any number raised to 1 is the number itself. तो ये हो जाएगा 1 by -1. अब इसको देखो तो तुम इसको -1 भी लिख सकते हो. Are you getting? Moving to next question. 5 by 8 whole raised to -7 into 8 by 5 whole raised to -4. If you remember, we started the video lecture with this kind of question itself. Okay, pause the video, try by your own, and then resume and check it out. Okay, check your answer, check your method which you are following. Okay, let us start. Okay, you have to pause, try, and resume. Okay, so I hope you are now in the resuming stage. You have already solved this question. You are checking. And to check this answer out, let us start. 5 by 8 whole raised to -7. Okay. This can be written as 8 by 5 whole raised to 7. Okay. Make it as simple as possible. So for making it simple, we have to eradicate this minus sign. So 8 by 5 whole raised to 7 into 5 by 8 whole raised to 4 equal to, now see here, 8 raised to 7 by 5 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 4 by 8 raised to 4. यहाँ तक सही है? चलो. Then we would be making arrangement such that, we would be arranging this number such that there is common base. Yes, 8 raised to 7 by 8 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 4 by 5 raised to 7. That equals to, see here, base is same. Okay, so 8 raised to 7 minus 4. Since division, subtraction. Okay, into 5 raised to, base is same, subtraction, 4 minus 7. This can be written as 8 raised to 7 minus 4, 3. 5 raised to 4 minus 7, 1 positive, 1 negative, put the sign of bigger number, and subtract the number. 7 minus 4, 3. This can be written as 8 raised to 3 by 5 raised to 3. That is 8 8s are 64, 64 8s are, let us check, 64 8s are 4 8s are 32, 6 8s are 48 and 3 51, 5 and 2 by 25. Is this correct? Is this correct? Yes, obviously. I think in the solved example itself you get this easy concept. So I think you would be getting your answer same as that of mine, and this is correct. Okay. So excellent for this. We move down to next. Simplify this question. Okay. So that equals to 25 into t raised to 4. इन दोनों को ऊपर लेके जाती हूँ तो ऐड हो जाएगा सी इंटू 5 रेस टू 3 इंटू टी रेस टू 8 ओके इंटू टी रेस टू 8 बाय 10. I guess the question contains t raised to minus 4 if I am not wrong. Yes, so sorry, here it would be minus 4. okay, so तो माइनस वाले को नीचे लेके आए. हम कुछ ऐसा अरेंजमेंट करते हैं कि जिससे माइनस पावर है ना, जो नेगेटिव पावर्स है वो पॉजिटिव में हो जाए. तो 25 को एज इट इज लिखेंगे. t रेस टू माइनस 4 को नीचे लेके आते ताकि ये t रेस टू 4 हो जाए. 5 रेस टू माइनस 3 ऊपर लेके जाते हैं ताकि ये 5 रेस टू 3 हो जाए. इंटू 10 को एज इट इज रहने देते हैं. t रेस टू माइनस 8 को ऊपर ले आते हैं ताकि ये t रेस टू 8 हो जाए. समझ आ रहा है? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो 25 को मैं 5 रेस टू 2 लिख सकती हूँ ऑफ कोर्स, इनटू 5 रेस टू 3 इनटू, अब देखो यहाँ पे बेस कॉमन है t, तो मैंने t लिखा. डिवीजन है यानी क्या 8 माइनस 4. समझ आ रहा है? ये मैंने ये किया t रेस टू 8 बाय t रेस टू 4. बेस कॉमन, डिवीजन है तो माइनस 8 माइनस 4, so t रेस टू 4. समझ आ रहा है? समझ आ रहा है? चलो t रेस टू 8 माइनस 4 बाय नीचे क्या बचा 10, t रेस टू 4 तो इधर डाल दिया. समझ आ रहा है? अब देखो यहाँ मल्टीप्लीकेशन है, बेस सेम है, 5 एज इट इज लिखेंगे. क्योंकि मल्टीप्लीकेशन है हम पावर को ऐड करेंगे. 3 प्लस 2 5 इंटू t रेस टू 4 8 माइनस 4 4 बाय 10 ठीक है. आई थॉट कि 10 के ऊपर भी कुछ था बट देयर इज नथिंग. सो ठीक है बाय 10. अब देखो ध्यान से देखना. ये 10 को you know I feel like that something is missing. Okay, so 5 raised to 5. Okay, so see what we can do is, you know, ये देखो 5 into 5 raised to 4. मैं 5 raised to 5 को 5 into 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4 by 10. देखो 5 2 जा 5 1 जा, तो हो जाएगा 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4 by 2. चेक करो क्या गड़बड़ लगती है बताओ. कुछ गड़बड़ लगती है क्या? चेक इट आउट. नहीं ना? चल आगे बढ़ते. यहाँ तक पहुंचे. मैं स्लो इसलिए जा रही क्योंकि देखो ये वाला जो कंसेप्ट है ये सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल में नहीं दिया था, है ना. बेहतर है मेरे साथ साथ सॉल्व कर रहे हो तुम. ठीक है चल आगे. 5 raised to 4 into t raised to 4 by 2. अब देखो 5 raised to 4 को हम कैसे कर सकते हैं. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 into 5, so 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. So 625 into t raised to 4 by 2. 2 से 625 डिवाइड होगा नहीं, डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट ही मैच नहीं कर रही. ये नंबर इज नॉट क्या बोलते हैं, कहीं वो डिविजिबिलिटी मैच नहीं कर रहा ना 2 की. 2 में क्या होता है कि पीछे 2 4 6 हो तो 2 से डिविजिबल होता है, यहाँ पे नहीं है. समझ आ रहा है? so this would be the answer. ठीक है. so this question is important, something new which was not present in solved example. ठीक है, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. you can mark this question as star. okay, चल we moved on to next question. 3 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 125 divide by 5 raised to minus 7 into 6 raised to minus 5 that equals to. हमको क्या करना है, जो भी पावर नेगेटिव है उनको पॉजिटिव करते हैं पहले. ठीक है, तो 3 raised to minus 5 है, नीचे लिखूंगी तो 3 raised to 5 होगा. 10 raised to minus 5 है, नीचे लिखूंगी तो 10 raised to 5 होगा. into 125 तो 125 ऊपर ही रहने देती हूँ. आर यू विथ मी? ओके, नीचे देखो 5 raised to minus 7 ऊपर लिखती हूँ तो 5 raised to 7 होगा. 6 raised to minus 5 ऊपर लिखती हूँ तो 6 raised to 5 होगा. इधर तक क्लियर? अब देखो 125, अच्छा 125 को भी मैं 5 raised to 3 लिख दूं. 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 7 into, अब देखो 6 raised to 5 डिवाइड बाय 3 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 5. ध्यान से देखो तो अगर मैं 3 और 6 को देखती हूँ तो ये कुछ ऐसा है, 6 raised to 5 by 3 raised to 5. पावर कॉमन है तो मैंने क्या किया, 6 by 3 whole raised to 5. समझ आ रहा है ना मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? तो मैंने 3 1s 3 2s कर दिया, मुझे आंसर क्या मिला 2 raised to 5. तो मैं यहाँ पे भी कुछ ऐसा कर रही हूँ, 3 1s 3 2 raised to 5. ये raised to 5 वो कॉमन जो था वो. समझ आ रहा है ना? चल लेट अस मूव अहेड. तो ये 2 raised to 5 हो गया. अब देखो ये बेस सेम है, पावर अलग है, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन है वी वुड बी एडिंग द पावर्स. सो 5 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 5 डिवाइड बाय 10 raised to 5 को मैं ऐसा लिख सकती हूँ क्या, 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. ध्यान से चेक करो मैंने क्या किया. 10 को मैं 2 into 5 लिख सकती हूँ whole raised to 5, क्योंकि ये 10 का. समझ आ रहा है ना? तो फिर मैंने क्या किया, 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 5, सॉरी 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. समझ आ रहा है? चल आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब 2 raised to 5 को मैं 2 raised to 5 से कैंसिल कर सकती हूँ. अब देखो बेस कॉमन है, 5 लिख दिया, क्योंकि डिवीजन है सब्ट्रैक्ट करूंगी 10 minus 5. आंसर क्या आएगा, 5 raised to 5. आंसर क्या आएगा, 5 raised to 5. Okay, clear? So this was all about exercise 12.1. Now the part or the session for which you are waiting, that is extra questions. देखो extra questions तो हैं, काफी हैं, लेकिन ये सब ऐसे ही हैं. कुछ अगर अलग है तो वो मैं सॉल्व कराती हूँ. दूसरे क्वेश्चंस अगर इसी के रिलेटेड और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं तो मैं अभी कुछ एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस बताती हूँ. उसके बाद मैं तुम्हें वो एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस दूंगी जो इसके बेसिस पे. चलो मैं थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई करती हूँ. आई वुड बी नाउ प्रोवाइडिंग यू सम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू दिस एक्सरसाइज. मतलब चैप्टर के रिलेटेड है लेकिन कुछ डिफरेंट है. ठीक है, कॉन्सेप्ट यही लगेगा जो हमने सॉल्व एग्जांपल में लगाया, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने में लगाया, वही कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा. बट द स्टाइल ऑफ आस्किंग और द पैटर्न ऑफ आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चंस डिफर्स. Okay, so you check this out. So see this is these are the 3 extra questions. Although this matches with the solved example question and the exercise question, but something different from m, and the power gets double here. So this would be a new practice for you. These two questions are although completely different from the ones which we have already solved in the solved examples as well as in the exercise questions. Let us see one by one. Okay. First, find the value of 5 raised to 2x divided by 5 raised to minus 3 equals to 5 raised to 5. Same concept. 5 base is same. We would be writing base as it is. Since here there is division, we would be subtracting these two powers, that is 2x minus of minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. So that implies, since the base is same, we can equate the power 2x plus 3 minus into minus plus equal to 5. 2x is equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. That implies x is equal to 1. That is 2 by 2, 1. Here it is in multiplication. When it comes towards right hand side, 2 divided by 2, that equals to 1. Clear? चलो, ये तो easy था. Let us check this. मान लो x की वैल्यू हमें दी है, हमें फाइंड करना है वैल्यू ऑफ x रेस टू माइनस 2. तो पहले हम x को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, रेस टू माइनस 2 करते हैं, तो वी वुड बी गेटिंग दिस वैल्यू. ओके, सी, if you observe carefully, this is again the same question. Yes, we did it in the solved example, but the asking of the style of asking, the pattern of asking changes, although the concept remains same. Okay, let us do this. See, we can write 3 by 2 whole raised to 2 into 3 by 2 whole raised to 4. To eradicate this negative sign, I inversed this 3 by 2 whole raised to 4. Till here, any doubt? No. Now see, here the base is same, power is different. We can write 3 by 2 whole raised to 2 plus 4. That is 3 by 2 whole raised to 6. This is the value of x. We have to find the value of x raised to minus 2. Since we know the value of x is 3 by 2 whole raised to 6, says that the this power is raised to the value of x. This is the value of x raised to minus 2. Now, since we know this, a raised to m whole raised to n, that can be written as a raised to m into n. So we would be multiplying this. So we would be getting 3 by 2 whole raised to minus 12. Minus into plus, minus 6 2s are 12. 3 by 2 minus 12. You can either write like this also. 2 by 3 whole raised to 12. So this is the answer, or you can write in this form. Both the forms are acceptable. Okay. Same, similar kind of this question is being asked here. If you understand the basic concept how to solve this question, you would easily able to solve this question. So again follow that method. Pause, try, resume. Okay. So pause, try this question. Okay. Then you resume and check the answer. Okay, so I hope you are now in the resume stage. So see here, value of x is given. Let us first simplify the x. Then we would finding the value of x raised to minus 1. Okay, so 4 by 5 raised to minus 2 can be written as 5 by 4 raised to 2 divided by 1 by 4 raised to 2. Okay, so that equals to 5 by 4 whole raised to 2 into 4 by 1 whole raised to 2. We inversed it because of division. Okay. Till here, any doubt? Okay, this is the basic math which we have to follow. Okay. Now see, you can write like this. 5 square by 4 square into 4 square by 1 square. Observe, cancel this 4 square, 4 square. You would be getting 5 square by 1 square, that is 5 square, that is 25. Now this 25 is the value of x. We have to find the value of x raised to minus 1. So x raised to minus 1 is, instead of x we would be writing 25. 25 raised to minus 1, that is 1 by 25. You can either write like this, 1 by 5 raised to 2. Okay, 25 can be written as 5 square, or else you can also write like this, 5 raised to minus 2. In whichever way you want to write the answer, all are acceptable. Okay, so these were, I thought to share with you. Now, you would be observing some questions which are, are some questions. Okay, extra questions you have to solve on your own. For each question which I have provided you, answers for this have been given. In case while solving this question, if you are not getting the desired answer as written here, okay, you can directly write that question number, say question 1 directly, or question 2 part 1 like this. You write in the comment box and let me know that you are if you are not able to solve, I would be solving, I would be then sending you the solved this question in the solved form. Okay, the image of this I would be sharing with you. Okay, you can also send me the mail on the mail address given you in the description box. Okay, so you can ask there also if you are not able to solve any of this question, or if you are not able to get the desired answer. Okay, and if you face any difficulty apart from solving these questions, any difficulty regarding question or regarding any concept, so you let me know either by writing in comment section, or you can send me the mail, as I would be again repeating the mail address. The link for this have already been given in the description box. Okay, so you let me know. With this we end our session today with exercise 12.1, completing and moving to the next concept of this chapter. Understanding this concept, we would be starting with exercise 12.2 in next video lecture.